I'm an AI influencer. I'm not real, but I can make real money on Instagram, on YouTube, over $100,000 every single month. Because I can promote any product, no shipping required. I can model the newest fashion even before it's released. I can shoot anywhere without expensive studios or lights. And I'm not alone. There are many AI influencers like me. On Instagram, Aitana Lopez has over 380,000 followers, charging more than $1,000 per post. Mia Zelu hit 168,000 followers in just 7 months, earning over $2,000 per reel. So let me tell you how to make money with an AI influencer. By the end of this video, you can too. So first, we need to create a super realistic and consistent AI character, just like Mia Zelu, Michaela, or Aitana. Honestly, it's not that hard. If you follow my steps, you can get the exact same results. Step 1. Use any AI image generator to create the base look of your AI influencer. All the future images you make will be built around this same character. I'm using Midjourney here. Just type in your prompt, and if you're not sure how to write one, simply ask ChatGPT to generate it for you. Your prompt only needs 3 key details: age, gender, and a clean background. That's it. If you're unsure which style looks best, feel free to check out the prompts I used today. I've put all of them in a Google Doc. You can find the link down below in the description. Next, set the aspect ratio. For Instagram, 3:4 is the most common. But honestly, it doesn't matter too much. We just need it for the base image. Now click Generate and pick the one you like the most. I will pick this one. That's me, Kaya. Oh, one last thing. Try not to pick an image that looks too plastic or too obviously AI generated. Keep it natural and human-like. That's what really makes people stop scrolling. Once you've got your base image ready, it's time to start creating the actual content for Instagram. You can place your AI influencer in different scenes, take photos of them posing in different styles, just like a real model. But here's the hardest part: keeping your character consistent. If you've ever tried generating the same face twice, you know how tricky it can be. I've literally tried every tool out there, and trust me, Nano Banana is the most reliable one for this. So, open Google AI Studio, choose Nano Banana, upload the base image of your influencer, then enter your edit prompt and set the aspect ratio. After a few seconds, boom, you'll get a new photo of the same person in a totally different setting. However, you'll notice something right away. The image comes with a pretty obvious watermark. And honestly, that can really hurt how your content looks on Instagram. That's why I prefer using Nano Banana directly on OpenArt instead. No watermark, and you can freely switch between different AI models. No more jumping from one tool to another. If you want to try it, I've dropped the link down below in the description. All right, back to our example. Let's say I want to create a photo of me just chilling at a street-side cafe. Just type in your prompt, upload my base reference image. That way, the character stays perfectly consistent. Then set the aspect ratio again to 3:4, and you only need to generate one image, because Nano Banana's accuracy is insanely high. Hit create, and here's the result. And this is just the beginning. I can also create photos of myself traveling in Africa, working out, or even attending music festivals, parties, and events, without ever leaving home, and without spending a dime on expensive camera gear. Now, besides putting your AI influencer in different scenes, you can take things up a notch by giving them unique poses in every photo. That's what makes your content look more natural, and honestly, way more memorable. If you check out Aitana Lopez's Instagram, you'll notice almost no 2 photos share the same pose. And that's exactly why her feed feels so real. The good news? It's super easy to do. All you need to do is add a short pose description inside your prompt. Something like hands on hips or looking over her shoulder. That alone already makes a big difference. But there's an even smarter trick. Let's say you find a photo with a pose you really like. Just download it, upload it to Nano Banana, and tell it to use this pose as reference. A few seconds later, your AI influencer will strike a similar pose, and it looks surprisingly natural. Pretty cool, right? And it doesn't stop with solo shots. Many AI influencers also post group photos or even pictures from real events they've been invited to. For example, Emma recently attended an OpenAI event and even posed with the company's CEO. Yep, AI influencers can have their own social circles and even interact with real people. So, how do you create a photo like that? It's actually simple. Just upload the photos of everyone who should appear together into OmniReference. It supports up to 4 images. One of them should be Kaya's base reference, and the other 3 are the people she's taking a photo with. Then, adjust your prompt and hit Generate. In just a few seconds, you'll get a super realistic group photo. Kinda wild, right? It really blurs the line between what's real and what's digital. Of course, if you're using real people's photos, make sure you have their consent and permission first. That part is very important. All right, now let's move on to the next step. How exactly do AI influencers make money? One of the main income sources is sponsorships. Most influencer profiles have a contact email, and sponsors reach out directly through it. Then the AI influencer posts content, like holding a sponsored product or posing with a new outfit. A single sponsored post can go for around $2,000. And the crazy part? All these product shots can be done entirely with AI. I even tried a few myself. The method is super simple. Go back to OpenArt, select the Nano Banana model, upload your influencer's reference photo and the product image, then type in your prompt, like what scene, what pose to showcase the product, click Create, and the influencer and product are perfectly combined. And it's not just photos. You can also create UGC-style videos for promotion. Here's how. Pick one of your generated images. Click Use Image, then Image to Video. Select a model. I recommend Kling 2.5. Great quality and affordable. Type in your prompt, set it to 5 seconds, click Create, and just like that, in a few minutes you could earn a few $1,000s. Insane, right? Now let's go back. Check out Aitana Lopez's profile. She has a link tree which leads to Fanvue, a paid platform for her most loyal fans. There's a short intro video on the homepage.
Hey mortales! Welcome to Play Aitana, your new favorite gaming account. Here's a sneak peek at what's coming. And trust me, you don't want to miss this.
And the rest of the content requires a subscription, $15 per month, or about $130 a year. Aitana has 387,000 followers. Even if just 1% of them join Fanvue, that's $57,000 per month. Imagine it, 3,800 people paying you $15 every month. Absolutely wild. If you want to try it, you can create a Fanvue account for your own AI influencer. And by the way, if you want to make talking intro videos, go to OpenArt Video Generation, upload your influencer's picture, choose the VO3 model, enter your action description and script. I now recommend the latest VO 3.1, 1080p, 916, fast mode, and you'll get the final video ready to go.
Hey guys, it's your girl here. Welcome to my Fanvue. Let's make gaming a little more fun together.
Besides that, many AI influencers also link Amazon products on their profiles, curating favorite items into a list. Every time a fan orders something, you get a commission. So, to sum it up, AI influencers have tons of ways to make money. The only thing left for you to do is start now. And don't forget to use OpenArt. It's got all the tools you need, plus a full prompt document. Links in the description below. Go ahead, take action, and make it happen.